Hi guys, today's I gonna go be the big lonely boy. It's me. I want to kill all the family. Did you actually do to me? Wait, I mean it. That's rude. Sue.